Training is more than something I like to do. When I train, it's a reminder that what I want in the gym and in life is going to take relentless, consistent, intentional effort. When I train, I feel unstoppable. It's not a time where I pick apart what I want to change about my body, but instead it's a celebration of all of these amazing things my body can do. It's about the quest to see just how far I can push myself. My goal is always consistent progress. I don't only train to compete. I don't only train because I am a trainer. I train because it's a part of my identity. Fitness gave me a voice. Fitness gave me hope. Fitness gave me courage. Fitness saved my life and gave me a platform to help others truly live. My name is Dekel Nesbitt, and this is why I train.
Gotta work.
Slight work. I work.
D-Town to the DMV.
Dep Low, what's up?
Finally got your girl going crazy.
Drunk white bitch. I can do it all and it ain't no problem. Ain't nobody harder than fucking in the folklore. I go hard, I'm ballin', I'm glow trotting. And my flow up, my nigga, I'm outside with it. It's often I do this. I turn a straight prude to a nudist. Foolish, I be on that new shit. And I'm blowing up like this we went to school with. Ain't nobody checking for your garbage. Lot of intuition, I ain't near finished college. Never hit them all if I ever get it all. Any broad better layer like I'm dressing for the fall. And I'm all that. Hit the passenger door. Shawty was pink, very sweet, and I ain't lactose. I ain't trying to brag though. I just know I'm that dope. Kick game, Bojack, my Bojack's top boat. And it ain't no problem. You race to these bras, I relay them, baton them. Cause you stand here and 1,000. But when you step out, why don't you still find out? Double MG shit, I put the set down. Rick James back, bass, you sleep on the couch. Wordplay, Oluba is my first name. I think I'm Coco B. Hand, you just a bird, babe. I got a pair of J's, I roll a pair of J's. We up and down the supply, spinning that carrot cake. Let them marinate, you forever late. A million home sellers couldn't find a real estate. Slight work, the wrong drink, the right work.